Hello everyone, this is Srimati from Botany Department working as an assistant professor. So today we are going to see about the topic system of classification. So what is systematic botany? So systematic botany is a science which deals with classification and naming of plants. So here we are going to see about two terms. One is taxonomy and second one is nomenclature. So what is taxonomy? So taxonomy is a classification of plants. So it is termed as taxonomy, and naming of plants is termed as nomenclature. Okay, so system of classification are divided into three groups. One is natural system, artificial system and phylogenetic system. So first, artificial system. So artificial system which is characterized only few species. For example, Carolus linnaeus is a system. Best example, Linnaeus system is the artificial system. So artificial system classified according to the alphabetical order. Next, natural system. So natural system is a characteristic of all plants. Best example, Bentham and Hooker classification. So her name is George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker. He is the one of the English great scientist. Next slide. Phylogenetic system. So phylogenetic system classifies based on the evolutionary affinities. So best example, Engler and Frankel. Next slide. So already I told natural system. So natural system best example is Bentham and Hooker classification. So Bentham and Hooker classification worked together in garden. So they published 3 volumes of book named as Genera Plantarum. In that book, they classified according to natural system. So it consists of 97,203 seed plants. So according to Bentham and Hooker classification, seed plants are divided into 3 classes. One is Dicotyledone, Gymnospermae and Monocotyledone. So Dicotyledone has 3 subclasses. One is Polypetalae, Gamopetalae and Monoclamidae. From Polypetalae, it has 3 series. One is Thalamiflorae, Deciflorae and Classiflorae. From Thalamiflorae, it has 6 orders and 34 families. Deciflorae, 4 orders and 24 families. And Classiflorae, 5 orders and 27 families. Next, subclass 2, Gamopetalae. It consists of 3 series. One is Inferae, consists of 3 order and 9 families. Heteromerae consists of 3 order and 12 families. Bicarpellatae, 4 orders and 24 families. Next, subclass 3, which consists of Monoclamidae. Monoclamidae consists of 8 series and 36 families. So from, next slide. So class 1, Dicotyledone. What is Dicotyledone? So Dicotyledone consists of 2 cotyledons, so which is 1 cotyledon and 2 cotyledon. So characteristic features are Dicotyledone consists of reticulate venation, and next taproot system, and flowers may be tetramerous or pentamerous. Next slide. Polypetalae. So polypetalae are arranged 4 or pentamerous. So tetramerous or pentamerous. So flowers are free, petals are free arrangement. Next, Gamopetalae. So petals are fused together is called Gamopetalae. Calyx and petals are distinct in nature. Next, subclass 3, Monoclamidae. So Monoclamidae is a petals are absent. So instead, calyx are arranged in word-like structure. So this is called Monoclamidae. Next, class number 2. So class number 2 is Gymnospermae, which is naked seeds. For example, it includes 3 families. Example, Neetaceae, Coniferae and Cycadaceae family. Example, pineapple. Next, Monocotyledons. So monocotyledon is a single cotyledon. For example, paddy. So paddy is a best example for monocotyledon. It possesses parallel venation and roots of fibrous root in arrangement. Next. Next we are going to see about family, which is the largest family present in the dicotyledons. So for family, we have a systematic position according to kingdom, division, class, order, family, genus and species. So kingdom, Plantae, division, Magnoleophyta, class, Magnoleopsida, and order, Magnoliates, family, Annonaceae, genus, Annona, and species, Squamosa. So Annona squamosa is the scientific name of sugar apple, which you can see, and it is a sweet apple. Okay, so kingdom ends with A, division ends with Pita, class ends with Sida, order ends with Lace, family ends with C, genus as usual. So based on name. Next slide. So Annonaceae family, how will you distinguish? Some characters are same. So that are Annonaceae family may be shrub or tree, mostly tree. For example, I have given Annona squamosa. So Annona squamosa is a tree. And roots are taproot system, which includes it in the dicot family. Next, flowers are tetramerous or trimerous. So first, we are giving a technical terms according to the basis. So first, habit. So habit may be root, shrub, or climbing. So for climbing, example, Atrabotis hexicapillus. Next example. So next technical term is leaf. So leaf or the simple, alternate, exstipulate. So stipulate here, stipulate or absent. So we call it as exstipulate, and it is reticulate in venation. Next slide. Inflorescence. What is inflorescence? A group of flower, a cluster of flower is termed as inflorescence. So inflorescence consists of 4 types. One is racemose, cymose, mixed, and special type of inflorescence. So according, it consists of cymose inflorescence, which is solitary or axillary cyme. So cymose is a older flower are present in the apex and young flower are present in the below. Next slide. Flower. So Annonaceae flower consists of greenish yellow in color, and petals are trimerous, and usually fleshy in color. And flowers are actinomorphic, regular. Next slide. So calyx. So what is calyx? Below the surface of below the petal, it has a greenish layer. It is called calyx, which means here having young petals, it consists of calyx portion. So calyx has 3 sepals. So 3 sepals are freely arranged. So it is valvate in aestivation. It does not overlap with each other. Next, corolla. Do you know corolla? So corolla is a petals. So petals, already I told, petals are greenish, yellowish green in color, and petals are fleshy, and it has a innermost depression-like structure, which reproduction occurs both male and female part. Next slide. Androecium. So androecium is a male reproductive part. So androecium consists of anther filament. So here anthers are dorsifixed and anthers are dithecous in position. And anthers are numerous anthers are present. Filament is very short in condition. Next slide. Gynoecium. So what is gynoecium? So gynoecium is a female reproductive part. It consists of number of corpels. So corpels is a female reproductive part, and here it has a torus part. So above the torus part, it has a female reproductive part. Next. So fruit. Fruit is a aggregate berries. So what is aggregate? So aggregate is a single flower which produce many corpels, many ovules called aggregate. So fruit are aggregating condition. Next, seed. So seed is an endosperm. So seed is endosperm in nature. Next. So finally, we are distinguishing floral diagram. So what is floral diagram? Floral of a kind of flower which from Annonaceae family. So you just imagine, I already told what is bract. So bract is a small leaf-like structure. So small leaf-like structure consists of single bract. So it is called single bract. Next, bract is followed by calyx. So calyx is a greenish in color. So calyx, it has 3. So 1, 2, 3. So we termed as 3. Next, calyx is followed by petals, which also called corolla. So corolla, it has a 3, 1, 2, 3. And next, reproduction part, which consists of male and female. So male, which is Annonaceae, consists of numerous stamens. I already told it consists of numerous stamens. So the butterfly shape is called Annonaceae, which consists of numerous stamens. Next, Annonaceae is followed by Gynoecium. So Gynoecium consists of numerous carpels. So here we have drawn numerous carpels. So formula, finally we are going to formula. Floral formula is bract. BR is termed as bract. So single bract. Next, we have a symbol, bisexual flower. So bisexual is a male and female. So it is male and female. Next, actinomorphic. So flower is a actinomorphic, which is divided into symmetrical in position. Next, calyx. So calyx is the present below the petals. Petals are corolla. So calyx consists of 3. Next, corolla. So corolla consists of 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, Annonaceae. So Annonaceae, numerous stamens. So we are giving alpha symbol. Next, Gynoecium, numerous. So numerous. So this is ovary is superior in position. Hope all you understand. So thank you.